Welcome to the Smart Vocabulary Series, Part 11, and here are the 15 new words. Ape means copy, appease means satisfy a demand or feeling, apprehensive means doubtful, arbitrary means based on personal choice or personal whims, ardent means very enthusiastic or passionate. Arduous means difficult. Arguably means probably. Aristocracy means the highest class in certain society. Aroma means good smell. Audacity means recklessly bold. Array means well arranged. Articulate means speak fluently and clearly. Aspire means direct one's hopes or ambitions towards achieving something or to aim for. Assault means physical attack. Assert means to speak clearly or forcefully. Thank you.